My name is Carol Spickerman. I'm a nurse practitioner. I work at UP Health System in Escanaba at Doctors Park in the cancer care program. I just love the satisfaction at the end of the day, knowing that I likely made a difference in this patient's life, helping them deal with perhaps a terminal illness that it's very devastating, and so it just makes me feel terrific. To be able to know that I can make that difference. They can get everything that they need in one area close to home, really. It's a treatment that they can get close to home. Doctors Park is a beautiful place, absolutely. Our chemotherapy room has floor-to-ceiling windows opening up into a garden, and that's very pleasant to sit at and listen, watch the birds and look at the flowers, and it's peaceful, and you're getting your chemotherapy there, and again, close to home in a very, very nice environment. The care that we give in the cancer department is top-notch. Patients are very anxious with the new diagnosis of cancer, and so I try to make them feel at ease, and I do a stepwise approach on how to deal with the situation, and ask them about them and their family life, and make them feel comfortable, and try to develop a rapport with the patient, and so and that way we can talk about things that are really close to them and near and dear. And then I encourage them and let them know that with our cancer care program, it's a multidisciplinary. I work with all of the physicians, and we all work together to develop a plan of care. Not only the facilities, but dedicated personnel who will, people who will take care of you. You can feel confident that you're getting what you need here.